Hi everyone, dear subscribers. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments. Let's get started. To do this, you and I go to Messenger on iPhone or Android. In the top left corner, click on the three bars, Open Settings. Next, open Privacy and Safety. Here we open Restricted Accounts. All accounts appear that we have ever placed restrictions on them. To remove them, we go into one of the accounts and at the bottom click Unrestrict. After we have removed the restriction, we completely exit. Open the next account. Also click Unrestrict. And if you have a lot of such accounts, you click on each account and click Unrestrict. After that, you are able to remove them. Now you can send messages to the person, and the person will also be able to send you. If you liked this video, put likes, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all again. Bye, everybody.